In this video, you'll learn about matrices by using for loops and arrays. Now, the first introduction will be on how to allow a user to enter a matrix. Now, example, hash include stdio.h and create a main function called int main, open curly brace, and define a variable. Let's say you want to accept a 2x2 matrix. So float is a float data type, mat a, so it's a 2x2 matrix. Now printf, you will ask a user to enter the first line of the matrix. Please enter the first row of matrix. Then \n, closing inverted quotes, then scanf. Now you're gonna scan, it's a 2x2 matrix, right? So each row you have 2 elements. First row you have 2 elements separated by a white space in between, which is called spacebar. So you will accept a float and a spacebar and a float. Now this is something new. Spacebar and a float means the user can enter probably 1.5 and 2.6 with a spacebar in between. Then comma, you put the first 1 and 2, matrix A. Okay, now as a small review, remember the coordinates 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So you'll be having 1 here and 1 here. So obviously the person that enters the first number will go into this part of the matrix. So it's 0 0, then comma, and then you're going to put the second one into matrix A, the second one, so it's 0 1. There, this is the first line. Then the second line, printf, enter second row, \n, so scanf. Scanf, you're going to also do the same thing, separated by a spacebar. But now, this is the second row, first column for this, second row, second column for this. So you're going to put it into mat A, second row, first column. You're going to put the next one into mat A, second row, second column. And there you have it. You have essentially created a program which will accept matrix, return 0, which will accept the input of matrix from the user, a 2x2 matrix to be precise. Now next, I'll teach you on how to display matrix. Display matrix. So hash include stdio.h int main. Now you're going to create a matrix float matrix A, which is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix, and you're gonna initialize it. Let's say 2 4 7 8. So you've created a matrix, a 2 by 2 matrix with 2 4 and 7 8 within it as the elements. Now you want to display it out. First, printf %f spacebar %f, and you're going to display the first two parts of the first row of the matrix. So you're going to display this 0 0 coordinate 0 0, and you're going to display the coordinates of 0 and 1. Don't forget the \n over here. And next you're going to display the second row of the matrix, \n. Now, as I've mentioned earlier, you have to be good with the coordinates of the matrices in order to comprehend this. 1 1. And now there you have it. You have just learned how to display matrix. Displaying matrix. If you've noticed, I have not used a for loop at all. I have not used any for loops whatsoever. Now, this type of displaying or accepting will only work in matrices that are probably smaller than a 3 by 3 matrix. What if we have 100 by 100? We're not going to type the whole code, right? We're going to use for loop to actually save our time and energy in writing the codes. And I'll show how to use this in the next video.